Dear friends, welcome to Riding Cart. I am Shumanto Chatterjee on behalf of Riding Cart. This is a Maruti Alto K10 car, a small hatchback. I'm right here in Kolkata Delhi Road. It is called Delhi Road. I'm just gonna show you the power of night eye LED. This is a H4 holder bulb, H4, 36 watt LED. I'm just showing you. I'm just lighting right now the low beam. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. I guess you can see now the power of night eye. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, without beam, full beam, no light, full light. This is the highway condition. I'm just showing you. This is high beam, this is low beam. You see there, low beam, high beam. All right, check it and shop at ridingkart.com, ridingkart.com. Thank you so much.